Now, if you have an air conditioning system in your house, you might want to leave that off for right now. Because you take that smell and you're going to pump it into your other bedrooms, your kitchen, your family room, all that good stuff. And there's no need for that. So just be aware of your surroundings when you're working with liquid nails. Okay, it's been, maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes of drying time so far. Now, I'm going to push this back into place. Slap it up there. Check my ends, make sure they're pushed in exactly where they need to be. And that looks good. Check both ends. They look fine. Stick my open hand. And slap it. Make sure it's pushed down where it needs to be. Ooh, looks like that might need to come down just a little bit. Looks like the flooring is lifting, is not down all the way, and I can push that down, but if I do, I got a bigger gap there, so I guess I'm glad I checked that. I can kind of pull this away from the wall a little bit, 'cause then I can push that down, push the base right down into the corner. Because I couldn't get that baseboard pushed all the way down without buggering up the wall. Now, when I push that back into place, that's going to help hold that. That's a free-floating laminate floor. You want to learn how to install something like that. That's right, I got that all set up for you as well. Just check out my videos. Now I can keep hitting this end down. I gotta make sure my end's in there where it should be, and it is, before I hit this down. And this was that concrete wall that I floated out, so it's not perfectly smooth in every place. So if I got slight gaps, I'm not gonna sweat it. You know, I can check this in a few minutes and keep pushing on it because I can't really do anything here because I got a finished floor here, you know. So every once in a while, I'll still want to check this and kind of tap it down because I'll still be able to move it a little bit. You know, once it's in place like that, I can still push on it, you know, and check it for the next few minutes, maybe the next 15, 20 minutes. Okay? Now in certain areas, if you have an area that you think could be pushed down and it's not holding all the way, you can push it up there. I got some blue masking tape, and I'm just gonna put that on there and try to push that up tight. And that's going to help hold this base in a couple different areas. Okay? That's going to help to a certain extent. I don't have to do that all the way. I'm using blue tape just so it's not going to pull up the paint after a while. Okay? I see one more spot. And the wall's got waves in it because it was a concrete block and I floated it out. And no matter what you do, I don't care who does it, you're only going to get that wall so smooth, you know. It's going to be smooth enough to trick the eye to think that it's smooth. See, before I put the masking tape up against the wall, I put it just on the baseboard. Then I push the baseboard in, crease it over to the wall, then put it up against the wall. That'll help it hold better. If I just try to push it on the base and then up against the wall, it still has that poochiness, you know? The rest of the wall looks pretty good. That it does. Check it out. I might put it in a couple of other little spots just to help hold it until the liquid nail dries, you know? Because let me tell you, when you use liquid nails, you might get it all and think, oh, that's not going anywhere. 10 minutes later, you come back and you look at it, and you've got all these areas where it's come away from the wall. You think, hey, it wasn't like that 10 minutes ago, what's the deal? Well, the liquid nail, it's still pliable. And until it soaks up and dries up, you know, it could lift away from the wall, just ever so little. And that's why I'm going to go ahead and just put some tape on here in a few spots, just to be on the safe side, because I don't want to keep checking this wall. I got other things to do.